Hey guys, Google just dropped the Google Pixel 8 Pro and here is the 15 of the new feature. So that's why you have to upgrade Google Pixel 7 Pro to Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will get 7 years of operating system update and feature drop. It's not a 7 years of security updates, it's 7 years of OS update, which means the Pixel 8 series will be get Android update unit in 2030. Zooms hence you will be able to zoom in on image and recreate fine details after capture, and this cool feature using generate AI to fill the pixel gap and produce detailed pictures, then giving you much clearer zoom in shots. Next one is video boost. With the video boost, the Pixel 8 Pro will take HDR video with even better color grading than before, and the Google also sharing a comparison video with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and there are a big difference in the HDR. By the way, when you use video boost to record, the video will be saved in two files. One is your regular video and the other one Google call is raw in hands off to Google servers for some backstage magic, and it take a few hours to process, but you will get a notification when it's done. Another is night sight for video. Google is extend its night sight to video as well by bringing significant improvement when recording in a low light situation. Google also said that the Google Pixel 8 Pro is the best phone out there for low light smartphone video in the market. Magic Editor is a new generative AI editing tools to remap your photos. Now you can move the object and also the resizing, make your pics to as you expected, and also remove unwanted object too. So that's why Magic Editor is my favorite features. Next one is Audio Magic Eraser. The new Audio Magic Editor is big upgrade, I think. So now you can easily remove unwanted background sound from your videos and make the sound way better. Best Tech is the also a cool feature on the Google Pixel 8 series, which allow you to change the face after you take the picture. Basically how it's what is when you take a picture, the phone is automatically click a series of picture and select the best part from each picture. Next is Pro Control. The Pixel 8 Pro has its feature Pro level DSLR like a photography controls. For your all camera you can get a outdated feature to take a best picture. Finally, Pixel boosts the display. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with 2400 peak brightness, which is a crazy bright compared to the latest another device. Flat display. The first time the Pro series come with a flat display, which look very slim and bezel-less, and I can say that it look way better to last year, and especially I don't like the curved display. Another great feature is fast charging. The phone now feature a 30 watt of fast charging, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with the built-in thermometer sensor, which not only measure the body temperature and you also scan another object temperature. And the Pixel 8 series also come with built-in VPN. Next is LTPO display. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1Hz to 120Hz, which is very useful and save your battery more. And the biggest feature is the Pixel 8 Pro and 8 come with that Google Tensor G3 processor, which is more capable and more powerful compared to the last year, and it's completely come with lot of AI features. The new camera setup. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with completely new camera setup. 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and the font is 10.2 megapixel selfie camera. Next is Google Assistant feature. Google Assistant now going to more smart. Now Google Assistant is very easy to use and user friendly. So that's all about the Google Pixel 8 Pro features. Make sure hit the like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.